freezing. So I'm working on my vlog from yesterday. And the mail has come, and I've been beat up. And so yeah, freezing. So it is, last time I looked it was like 45 degrees. Sorry you guys, I keep leaning the camera up. My hand has a mind of its own. So it says it's 45, but the wind is like 25, 30 miles per hour. Feels like 37. It is chilly, and you can feel the breeze coming in my front door. I'm pretty sure it's my front door. We're under a wind advisory until 46 minutes ago. Oh, okay, sorry. Until 2 o'clock tomorrow. So they're 20 to 30 miles. See, that was a good guess. Up to 50 miles per hour. And it will increase into the afternoon, early evening, and peak hours. It will blow limbs and small trees, and they're warning for power outages, which is not going to be fun. But last time I checked, we're not due for snow. We're due for rain, which it was raining when I went to go get the mail. Well, sprinkling. So it's Friday. We're supposed to get showers. Sunday, Tuesday of next week, Tuesday of the following week, Christmas Day, supposedly. Anyway, so, when I, ordered my pants from Hanes, I got a free t-shirt, and for some reason it wasn't included in my order, and they were really good. They fixed it, so, hold on. Okay, I didn't fully open it. I just opened the package so I could look in it. Or I didn't look in them. I just opened them so I could pull them out. But, which was still not easy. What's this one? Adult shirt. And I wish I had gotten this one in white. But I got it in black. Which is a basic, as far as I know, black t-shirt. It's, you know, gonna probably be basic considering they were giving it away for free. These are the ones I really wanted. Let's get the other ones. So, I don't know how well you guys can see because it's kind of dark. So this one is just a plaid. A red, black, and white. Oh, these I think I'm gonna change into... And then my Obsession Buffalo plaid. That is it, except for some inserts. So I've been wondering where this cat was, worried about him, thinking he's upstairs. And 1, there's no cat litter box up there. Or 2, he's in the boys' room because Lexi's room has no door still. And so I was like, okay, if he's in her room, that's fine. She doesn't have a cat box, but it's open. Boys don't have a cat box because they're filthy kids. They're typical boys. And so the room is dirty. And I can't say typical boys because my daughter's room is messy too. And mine has been also. And so I just got up because I thought I heard his jingle. And I was like, well, I should go check my room and make sure he's okay. And I go to walk by, and who do I see? Chilling under the tree. Hi, buddy. Did you have a nice nap? He's so cute. Yes, you're cute. I love his little question mark tail. He got his paw popped once for standing on my computer because he'll just walk across it, turn it off on me. And, yeah, he won't. He'll look at my computer, but he won't step on it. Okay, so I was in Capri's, my Ninja Turtle pants, and so I decided to put on, and I almost said the dumbest thing, was just my size women's. Never mind, I know that, and so I was like, well, I'll put on the black pants. They're active wear. Well, they are really thin, but they are really soft, and I usually don't do this, but the thick band, I have issues with the way things sit on me, like Hanes, and I usually buy men's, Hanes, men's sweats, the ankle, overwhelming feeling, can't stand it, have to cut the elastic out of there. For a while, it was just a rubber band, it was sealed up and around it, and then they changed it to a thicker elastic, so then I had to take all the stitching out of it, and then I had to re-stitch it after taking the rubber band out, blah blah blah. Well, I can't handle those. Fruit of the Loom, those, I can handle. Those are no problem. Their ankles seem to be wider, and so the thick band is a little different because it's like this thick, but it's comfortable. I've had them on for a few minutes because I don't want to just come out and go, oh my god, I hate the band, because I don't. We'll see after today and being in them for a while and maybe doing stuff, because I'm still not feeling 100%. My hip feels like it's out of place right now. But I like them. They're soft. They're comfortable. You gotta see this. Hold on. That is the curtain we have to block some of the wind. And I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go pull those. So hold on. Okay, so I got that done. So I put my husband's vitamins by the front door. No, that isn't where I put them. He pulls them down and then doesn't put them back. So I went outside and I pulled them. I just pulled them down. They're on the rings that have the clippy hooks, and we made, like in here, it's just me blowing into my hand. Tesla freaked out. We made the curtain rods with PVC pipes, and they are flexible. They're not really rigid, and so it was easily just to pull down and get them off. And I just set them down on the ground, because I'm sure there's spider webs in there and I don't want those in the house. Though I could take them right out and wash them. I don't have any other towels. I'd have to do them by themselves. Come on. Oh. You know, after like doing a lot one day, okay, that's plugged in. Why is my computer still black? That's weird. I can hear it running, but for some odd reason, it doesn't want to turn on. There it goes. So I'm guessing it restarted itself right in the middle of me making a video, or exporting a video. Man, I've asked my husband to put this stuff up when he's done. Stop! Oh, never mind. As long as you're not getting a pillow, Tesla. Anyway, he leaves this cord out, and it was like, it's kind of like this. This was an Anthony, though. Xander was having a cow because Connor wouldn't tell him where my phone was, and Xander wanted it. Well, Xander doesn't get the concept that he can't just play on my phone whenever he feels like it. Hi. What are you doing? I hear you purring. Okay, good. We're still going. There. We're gonna try not to throw things on the floor. Okay, so it's not paused. And we're still going. Okay. Oh, and did I show you this? This is Xander's. Why it's on the TV stand. I swear it looks like I need to vacuum my carpet again. Not looks like, I need to vacuum my carpet again. I'm gonna put this in here. I don't need his cheesy poofs on my TV stand. So yeah. So, been wearing them for even longer. And they're comfortable. And like I said, I don't wear men's normally. And so, these are fairly comfortable. Got my mixed matched fuzzy socks. I'm gonna put them on. And put my slippers back on, because I'm freezing. And, hi. I'm just gonna watch some TV before I think about doing anything. I've had coffee. I don't want another cup, but, you know, it is what it is. Oh, hey. So I'm sitting down, and here's the thing that I always have issues with. I don't like this, but this, and I haven't washed them, so if they're pre-shrunk, then good on Hanes, but if not, and I'm wearing capris, we're gonna have an issue, because that'll drive me nuts. So